What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another ride review. Today we're in Piqua, Ohio at the Piqua Harley Davidson, and we're getting ready to take a test ride of the Harley Davidson Fat Boy 2019. Let's sit down on it. Holy crap, this is heavy. Super heavy. Whoa, that's a sick bike. It's heavy. I hear horror stories of how they turn and stuff, so we'll see how that is. Turn signals, horn. Is this a start button? Hazards. Don't know what that is. Dims, brights. This probably goes through the functions on the clock there. Brake is stiff. The cottonwood is crazy. Clunks right in gear. Clunks right in gear. Go ahead. Go ahead. This is my buddy off of, wow, he just took off with this kickstand down. That's weird. That's weird. Did you see that? Alright, turn signal. Oh, a little jerky. Can't get my foot underneath the shifter there. What the heck? It's pretty low. Alright, we're turning here. I'll kind of lay back. He said that we could, it's cool if we're we lag back and speed up a little bit, so that's what I'm gonna do. It turns in. Not bad, not bad. Let's make sure I got my visor closed. Try to knock down the wind noise. Holy crap, dude. The floorboards are real high. Look at my knees to the tank. I can't remember if this is the, I think this is the 114. This is the 114. It is fast. Oh man, it's fast. It's torquey. This is going to be a less than stellar ride because it's just turn right, go up here, turn right, go down there, turn right. We're doing like a big square and that's it. So, boring, yes. Chance to ride, doesn't matter. Let's see. I like the mirrors, but I keep hitting my glove. I don't know if you just noticed that. It keeps hitting. Woo! Wasn't ready for that. This guy rides aggressive. This don't lean in too bad. Oh man, this thing pulls. It is really hard to get my boot underneath the shifter. Super comfortable. I don't feel like I'm stretched out like I was on the Slim. When I test rode the Slim, I felt like the boards were a little farther out in front of me, but a little bumpy. This is kind of a crappy road. This thing turns though. I mean, it turns in. But dude, the torque on this thing is insane, dude. Torque is insane. I get to wait on a train. Unless we're turning right here. We might be turning right here. Yeah, there we go. Halfway done with the ride already. I think I'm in third gear. This don't turn in too bad. Catching up quick. This is my buddy Ike. He's on the Moto Amino app. That's how I met him. We met up here at Jim's or Pickle Harley Davidson to do this ride, this demo day. So pretty cool guy. It's gonna be a curvy road, maybe. Guess it curves. Feel like I'm gonna bog it down a little bit there. That was a third gear. Take it down in second. Dip it in. This is not bad, dude. This is not bad. I mean, it ain't no sport bike. You know what I mean? It ain't, you ain't gonna drag your knee on it, but it don't feel bad at all. Not bad at all. Hit the roundabout. Oh, the torque, dude. The torque is incredible. I got like cottonwood in my helmet. It's incredible. It's incredible. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to turn right and we're going to be at the dealership. Boring, right? Like, that's kind of the most least interesting demo ride ever. I was like, man, I could keep hearing music playing. It's this guy jamming off. This is comfortable. The seat is kind of like, I don't know, comes back up in the front. It just cups you pretty good. It's nice and comfortable. It's nice and wide. Pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I like this bike. It's a cool bike. It's got a cool factor. Unexplainable. It's a Harley. I don't like how low the shifter is. I'm sure that's adjustable. Torque though, dude. This torque is so good. And that's gonna be it. the test ride of the 2019 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Sweet bike. Not a very fun route, but it gets you to know the bike. And you can see I'm 6'1", 200 pounds, 36-inch inseam, and that's how I fit on the bike. My knees are kind of high, but it is what it is, dudes. Anyways, if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe today. I'll catch you on the next video. This is Woody. Peace and I'm out.